Ukraine signed a letter of intent to buy up to 100 Rafale warplanes, drones, air defense systems, and other key equipment from France over the next 10 years, as part of efforts to strengthen the country's long-term security. The letter is a preliminary commitment of Ukraine, stating its interest in buying a series of French defense equipment. The Rafale is France's most advanced fighter jet, a high-tech, delta-winged, multi-role warplane known for its maneuverability and efficiency. It has been deployed in the country's foreign military operations, including in the Middle East and Africa, and comes at a cost estimated at over $100 million per aircraft. No schedule was provided for the delivery of the first Rafales. The plane manufacturer, Dassault Aviation, has sold more than 500 Rafales, including more than 300 for export to countries such as India, Egypt, Qatar, Greece, Croatia, the United Arab Emirates, Serbia and Indonesia. Is Rafale the silver bullet Ukraine desperately needs? Here's all you need to know. First, let's take a look at the Rafale. The close-coupled canards delta wing configuration is key to the combat performance of the Rafale. Even at high angle of attack, it remains fully agile, and its range performance in strike missions with heavy weapon loads is unmatched for such a compact design. An advanced digital fly-by-wire flight control system provides for longitudinal stability and superior handling performance. With its 10-ton empty weight, the Rafale is fitted with 14 hard points. 5 of them are capable of drop tanks and heavy ordnance. The total external load capacity is over 9 tons. The Rafale can lift the equivalent of its own empty weight in payloads. With its outstanding load-carrying capability and its advanced mission system, the Rafale can carry out both air-to-ground strikes, as well as air-to-air attacks and interceptions during the same sortie. Having the formidable Rafale in its fleet would undoubtedly be a big boost for Ukraine. But pressing concerns remain. The pact was established shortly after Sweden and Ukraine revealed their strategy to send up to 150 Gripen E fighter jets to Kyiv, with less than a month passing since the announcement. Although the Rafale and Gripen E would represent the pinnacle of advanced military aircraft in Ukraine's fleet, significant uncertainties persist regarding the practicality of acquiring even one of these aircraft types, much less 2, particularly in such large quantities. As Ukraine races to boost its defenses amid the grinding battle of attrition against Russia, where do things currently stand? In the war zone, Russia has the chance to subjugate Ukraine. Amid drawn-out diplomatic moves to end the war, time appears to be on Putin's side. The effectiveness of Russia's operations in Donbass can largely be attributed to its historical strengths in weaponry and troop availability. Russia's offensive has involved strategic adjustments, such as the successful deployment of glide bombs against Ukrainian defensive structures. Russian commanders have capitalized on the weaknesses in Ukrainian defenses, particularly the inadequate fortifications along the front lines. Simultaneously, Ukraine is facing shortages in personnel, a situation exacerbated by poor management of mobilization strategies. Moscow's achievements in the Donbass seem to be progressively eroding the morale of the Ukrainian populace,